I am currently pursuing the 5th year of my legal education from National Law University, Jodhpur. I, in fact, also hail from the city of Jodhpur. However, I have spent a major part of my school life in the Gulf. After spending a year in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, I moved with my family to Oman. Oman and, in fact, the city of Salalah, where I live, shall always be my second home. My love for traveling and adventure started in Oman, be it trekking, camping, sandbashing. I've done it all. Apart from that, I have always been a student who was into academics, sports, public speaking, and other activities. And similar was my approach in college. I have always tried to create a balance between academic, co-curricular, and extracurricular activities. I also enjoy writing, both academic and otherwise, as well as sharing my thoughts about any recent developments on social media. I wouldn't be exaggerating if I say that I have never gained so much from a course than I have from the course administered by LawSikho. I had a lot of expectations before kickstarting my journey with LawSikho's certificate course in competition law practice and enforcement. And the course just went beyond fulfilling my expectations. The course firstly enabled me to gain useful insights into the essential aspects of competition law, the two main aspects being competition enforcement and merger control. Furthermore, I learned the art of drafting documents that are quintessential to the field, including information and inspection application, recall applications, reply to DG, and in fact, most importantly, the pivotal Form 1. And I dedicate the success of my journey to the untiring efforts of my course anchor. In fact, I also got to attend lectures by Atul Roy sir, who took time out of his extremely busy schedule to hold insightful sessions for us. All of these lectures were not just a monologue, but interactive and lively sessions. Apart from understanding the concepts and the practical aspects surrounding competition law, this course also gave me a nudge towards writing articles and blogs. The course comes with the added benefit of a dedicated content team that played an instrumental role in providing valuable feedbacks on my assignments that eventually got published on the IP Leaders blog. Lastly, I would be extremely grateful to the entire team at LawSikho for granting access to this amazing venture. So I haven't kickstarted my professional career, so to say. However, the course was extremely helpful during my internships. I interned with competition law teams at Gagar and Partners and Chandyok and Mahajan. And my basics with respect to competition law that had been made strong by virtue of the course played a crucial role in the successful fruition of my internships. And next year, I would be, in fact, kickstarting my career into the corporate culture with the law firm. And I'm 10% confident that what I learned throughout the course of this enriching journey with LawSikho will definitely be helpful. Well, I have been through that phase. In fact, I think the first year of a law school is something that is a lot for a person to deal with. And when a person progresses, there are multiple assignments coming into picture, there are projects, and it's difficult to balance all of it together. So I think for me, what was the most helpful to bring out a balance between everything was, it's a suggestion for everyone, it's yoga actually. So it helped me deal with anxiety a lot, because I think students face a lot of anxiety issues being part of a law school. And when it comes to obtaining a PPO, I think internships do play a very important role. In fact, I've seen a lot of students who are really worried about not having internships with tier 1 firms. And they worry about not landing up great jobs in the future. But I think that should not be an approach for anyone. deriving from my own experience, I never interned with any tier 1 firms. I used to try hard to get whatever internships I could land, and just work with the teams that I really liked. I worked with 2 competition law teams, in fact. And it is really, at the end of the day, what you learn and how much hard work you put in. And despite not having any tier 1 internships, because I was committed and because my main goal was always to gain more and more knowledge, I was able to grab not a PPO, but I was able to get a job at Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas through my campus placements, despite not having any tier 1 internships. So I think at the end of the day, it all depends on you. You have to bring out a balance between everything that is going on during the college life, and have faith in yourself. That's all. Well, there is so much that LawSikho has to offer. There are lectures, interactive sessions, there is a LawSikho content team. And apart from that, we also get added to a WhatsApp group that provides alerts about any upcoming internship opportunities. So for me, LawSikho Course has been a whole package with umpteen benefits. So I think that is all the feedback that I have, and I have no suggestions as to how much more better the services can be. But for me, LawSikho will always be an enriching journey that I took, and the multiple benefits that I could gain.